Okay, not that I've run out of things to do at the house, but I've decided that I'm gonna see if I can drain some of the water out of the hot water heater, the water heater. A lot of people might consider the water heater as a emergency storage water. If it comes down to it, you've got 40 or 50 gallons of water in the hot water heater. But if you haven't been draining this on a regular basis, that water might not be usable because you might have allowed sludge to build up, and this valve might not even open if it hasn't been exercised regularly, and mine has not. This water heater is 6.5 years old, and I've never drained that. You're supposed to drain it once or twice a year, but you know, things happen, people get busy. Oh, side note, did you know that you can adjust the heat in your water heater? If you want to have it scalding hot, you can put it over here, or if you just want it warm, you can put it over there. So, alright, let's see if this works. I'm gonna hook up the hose. Alright, hopefully it's not so full of sludge that it won't open. Alrighty. Here goes nothing. Okay, I need to get some pliers. Okay, got my pliers, and I'll give this a shot. See, lefty loosey. And I'm doing this very slowly. You should always do that when you turn water on and off, particularly if it hasn't been done in a while. And this has never actually been done before in my house. So, alright, so it's loosened up. Okay, and this plastic part came off. That's not a good sign. Alright, let's see what this says. Can't read it. Alright, maybe I need to turn this part. Alright, let me go get a screwdriver. Okay, back with a screwdriver. Oh, this doesn't look good. Alright, some sludge shot out. Let me tighten this some so that the water goes in the hose and not in my basement. Alright, here goes nothing. Okay, I don't like the looks of that. I'm gonna turn that off. Maybe I'll need to get a bucket or something. Okay, got a Disney princess towel. The girls are not in the Disney princesses anymore, so. And a bucket. So. Okay, well, the water doesn't look all that bad. I'm just going to flow a little bit here. Try not to flood my basement. Water looks better than I thought. Not really sure why this is leaking so much. I didn't expect it to leak all that much. Maybe because I hadn't done it in 6.5 years. If you're a plumber watching this, by all means, let me know what I'm doing wrong. I know I'm not supposed to have stuff here so close to the water heater. I was a firefighter for 20 years, so you'd think I'd know better. So I did get a little bit of water out before I shut it down. It was not sludgy, that's a good thing, and I didn't flood my basement, so that's a good thing too. So if you haven't done this, you might see if you're able to do it. You know, take some precautions not to flood the house, but you might want to try it before 6.5 years. Alright. Okay, this is John Grimes with Better Homes and Gardens, and don't do what I do. Do what I say as far as home maintenance.